So we're going to be using Final Cut Pro to do the edit in to sync audio and video. And for those that don't have Final Cut, you can actually go to apple.com/UK/final-cut-pro. You get a free trial, and I believe the cost is £299 in the UK one-off. All right. So once you've downloaded Final Cut and you've opened it up, you will be met with a blank screen like this. So the first thing we want to do is you want to create a folder on your hard drive. And inside that folder, you want to create one called audio and one called video. The audio file that I have is because I record my audio on a H4n Pro, and obviously the video from the camera. So once you've created that folder, dump the audio and video inside there, and we'll move that to the side. So the first thing that we want to do is we want to create a library. So for the purposes of this video, I'm just going to call this JSON. And what you want to do is save that in the folder on your hard drive called JSON. So we save that. Next, what we want to do is create an event and call that footage, which is perfect. Now what we want to do is go back to our file. And what we want to do is, I'll just move that there. We want to click on the audio and just drag that file over to there, and you can see it's appeared here. And the same with video, and drag that into footage. Now we can get rid of that there. Next, what we want to do is we want to go to File, New, and create a keyword collection. And we want to call that Sync. Now what you want to do is click on Audio and highlight everything in audio. So that's Command and A on the shortcut keyboard for Apple, and drag that into Sync, and then just click Sync, make sure it's there. And then the same again for video. Just make sure it's all highlighted, which it is, and drag that over to Sync as well. So once you've done all that there, what we want to do is go into the Sync folder, and we want to press Command and A again, which is the shortcut. Make sure everything is highlighted, and then go to the top here, select Clip, Synchronize Clips. This will pop up, and what I want to do is call this Synced Clip, and then just press OK. Perfect. Now what we want to do is go to Footage, which is here, and Command and A again. Make sure everything is highlighted, and then you want to press Command and C for copy. Now what we want to do is create a new project. So for the benefit of this, we'll just call it JSON, and the only thing I change here is 25 frames per second, because I've shot in 1080p, and press OK. Now you can see there's a new project here. Go to here, and Command and V and press paste. You'll see that that's in there. Delete these two folders here, and now you're left with your sync clip of your audio and video, and that's it been done.